All right, guys, so there's a big opportunity with adult traffic. It's super, super powerful learn machines, so pay attention to this. If you combine adult advertising sources with like the wealth niche, you have a huge opportunity to make big, big profits. I've been doing this a lot and I hardly have shared any results with this, but I do want to like tease the idea for you guys so you can go out there and do it. I'm not going to share too many details, but I will share enough for you. Anyone can do this if they have technical skills, at least, like to build a funnel. The cool thing about it is you can have low ticket all the way to super high ticket offers in the wealth niche. You can have recurring offers. You can grow big brands, okay, with the wealth niche and adult traffic. So adult traffic's crazy. Everyone wants to make money. And when you give them a good opportunity and a good funnel and trust signals all around the board, you're gonna make money. Okay, so you're gonna build very effective funnels. You're gonna make your own offers on the front end. You could go find PLR products, private label right products. You get the rights to use them. You can go look up sites like that have PLR products. I use the one called ID PLR, but you could use anything out there. And you craft these offers, okay, for a good price. And you collect payments through Stripe, and ClickFunnels is how you build your funnels. You have upsells, everything in place. You run adult traffic to your ClickFunnels funnel, okay? And what happens is you're gonna break even or profit right there. Crazy. And it's insane. And the traffic's so cheap and there's tons of it. And then what happens is on the back end, you can start promoting high ticket stuff. You could sell stuff over the phone. You can send people, if you want to do a long-term thing, you could send people to a YouTube channel or something. Like you could do that if you want to. And it's insane. Okay, I can't stress it enough because it is the most profitable niche out of all the niches, just due to the high ticket nature of it. And you can also promote in the back end, like ClickBank offers in the wealth niche and marketing niches and stuff like this. You could promote Digistore products and anything else you want to find, and products of your own. And you can remake a bunch of PLR products, okay? And for good prices. Don't overprice, okay? Don't ever overprice. Okay, whoever can spend, though, the most money to acquire conversions wins, and this is a way to do that, absolutely, because it's just so cheap and you make so much back. The ROI, return on investment, can be 5x all the way to 20x. If you do long term, it can be even higher, okay? You'll never be banned, okay? And you have tons of traffic with this method. I just wanted to kind of tease the idea for you guys. You can grow an email list for the niche and you can follow up forever. All right, the tools you can use, once again, ClickFunnels. You use Aweber. If you're linking to anything from Aweber, just make sure you have a lander in between, okay? Do tripwire funnels. Like I said, a tripwire funnel is simple. It's like a low price product on the front end, then some upsells and an order bump also with the low price thing they can choose. That's what a tripwire funnel is. Okay, now you must have a $500 to $10,000 offer in the back end. Okay, so if you could spend $1,000 on ads to get a sale of your $1,000 thing in the back end, let's say you get two, you doubled your money, but on the front end, everything else is profit, plus all the other offers you're going to promote in the back end. It's very easy to make money with paid ads with this niche, okay, with YouTube ads, with adult ads, with any ad platform. Okay, this vertical works, and there you go. Do VSLs for trust, obviously, just video sales letters. Use hot girls on the sales pages. Okay, so that's will get attention. That's kind of your angle because they're coming from adult sites or whatever. Okay, and there you go, guys. It's very powerful. Hope you love this video. Smash that like button and see you later, Learn Machines. Peace.